Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. I wasn't sure if I was going to get another video out for 2022. I happened to pass by the regular Dollar Tree I go to yesterday, and I have to be honest, there really was not much. I did take some pictures of things that I did see. They really were just getting Christmas out. Which they did have the Christmas items on clearance, which is why I love this particular Dollar Tree. I don't know that all of the Dollar Trees do that. I can't remember if the ones that I would go to in the city close to me did do that as well. But as far as I can remember, it was only this particular Dollar Tree. And it's really great to pick up some things for 50% off. So for our Dollar Trees, that would be 75 cents each. So they didn't have a whole lot, but they still had quite a bit of things, especially gift bags, little boxes for cookies, containers for storing cookies. They had some signs, just a little mosh posh of everything, a little bit of it. I did pick up a few things, which I'll show you in a minute, but I really wanted to, even though this haul is not grand and exciting, although I was excited about one thing that I'm going to show you now, it was more so for me just to say thank you to all of you who have stuck with me through 2022. It really, for me on my channel, was mostly just some Dollar Tree hauls here and there. And near the end, I started getting back into crafting, which I was so happy about. Unfortunately, due to health issues, it really set me back quite a bit. Also, I have a tooth that I have mentioned on my channel, and it's been the last 3 years that I had it fixed, I had it looked at, and finally now they came to the conclusion after 3 years of pain on and off that it is infected and it needs a root canal or it needs to be extracted. And because I do have some bone loss, I just decided to extract it because it is in the back of my mouth, and I just cannot wait to have that done because it really has been hard for me dealing with this pain on and off. And it's just frustrating that sometimes it takes such a long time to figure out and to come to the root cause of something. But thank God they did, and I want it taken care of, and hopefully that will make me back to feeling better, because I do love crafting and I do love sharing. And hopefully 2023 will be a year much better for that on my channel. So quickly, I'm just going to go over the things that I picked up. My son needed another one of these bottles. He likes it because of the opening. Let me see if I can open this up. He likes the opening on this bottle. It's also a nice size and it is BPA free, so I just picked him up another one. He already has a few. I picked up a bottle of ginger ale that I was gonna drink on the way home, and then I didn't end up drinking it. Canada Dry. Then in the clearance section, I only picked up a few things because I have more than enough. I really didn't need more, but for crafting purposes, if I saw something for 75 cents, that's a really great deal. So I came across these pom-poms, and it's funny because throughout December, I never saw these. I might have saw them once, but I didn't end up picking them up. I had picked up a couple in a previous haul because they were the last two at that time. But these are really, really nice, and I probably will save them for next winter to do a craft with these. Maybe before, I'm not quite sure. But I did pick up the last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 that they had. There are 3 yards on this, and I just really love the green. It's very vibrant and fun, so I thought for 75 cents each, that was a really great deal. Then I came across these, the felt stickers, and in my last DIY with the gnome advent calendar, this is what I really wanted to use. But then I thought there's 4 in a pack, and I would have needed 25, so I wanted to do something a little bit more budget friendly, and that's why I went with the stickers. But if you can pick these up for 75 cents, I think they would make a super cute decor piece to put, or felt stickers to put on that cookie sheet of my last DIY that I made. They're really cute. They only had 3 of the gingerbread, so I just picked them up because I love the gingerbread felt stickers. So for 75 cents, again, that was a really great deal. Then I just happened to pick up one of these for my daughter, something for her to do on winter break. These are really cute, even especially if you're in the car because it's so compact. They are the carry along activity pads. This one is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and it includes markers and stickers. So for 75 cents, you can't beat that. So I did pick that up for her. And then I also saw they had these. They are the Pearl Artboard DIY Peel and Stick. So this is what it looks like when it's complete. On the other side, they have the dots that you just peel off the sticker or the backing, and they stick right onto the board. So I thought that would be something fun for her to do as well. Super cute. I picked up a couple more of these bottle cap, metal bottle cap decor pieces. I really love these, and when I see them I always kind of grab a couple because I think you could do such great DIYs with these. Hopefully I will be doing something very soon. And then the last thing that I picked up, which was what I was excited about the most, and I've never seen these there. These are the Friends Forever Club. And I might have seen somebody haul these before, but I'm excited to open up the package and just see the quality of them. Well, let me go ahead and open up one now so I can show you as well. Okay, so these are really, really nice. The arms move, the legs move. The clothing is sort of like the Polly Pocket clothing where you can just peel it off. It snaps in place. Her boots there you can see also just slide on, and her wig does come off. So you could change their hair if you really wanted to. And there is 4 in the set. And here you can see them on the back, and I was fortunate to find all 4 of them. So you have Alanis, Karina, Vieira, and Iha or Iha, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And each one of them tells a story about what they enjoy and what their dreams are of becoming. And I'm just going to read the back if you haven't seen these before. It says, on a field trip to the Science Center, a group of incredible girls became best friends. While discovering their uniqueness and celebrating their special connection, they create a bond that will last a lifetime. Whether at summer camp, attending school, playing sports, or relaxing at home, excuse me, this gifted friend group embraces all aspects of life with each other by their side. Join the adventures of Yera, Karina, Alanis, and Iha as they become the Friends Forever Club. Excuse me. And then again, there's a little card on the back that you can cut out, and it tells you all about each doll. So I thought that was really, really neat. My daughter loves dolls like these, and she was really excited to see me come home with these. And she absolutely loved. I'll show you each one. This one is Karina. And this one looks like my daughter. Super cute. So that's Karina. And then here we have Alanis. I love the detailing on these, and they are very well made. They do not seem like a cheap plastic or put together cheap at all. And then this one, which I can't pronounce, Iha. They are really, really cute. And then right next to them, the Dollar Tree was selling some clothing for them, which was really neat as well. Now they only had 6 different outfits, so I picked up one of each. So there's that one. That one. That one. I really thought this one was cute. And even their clothing is like really nice material and detail. And I believe they do just Velcro onto them. But I've never heard of these. If you have heard of them, or if you know, perhaps maybe they have a show with them, I'm not really sure. This is the first time I've seen them. Let me know in the comments section below if you've seen these before somewhere, even if it was at a different store, or if you have them at your Dollar Tree. But that was my fun and exciting find of the day. And I know my daughter is just gonna really love adding these to her doll collections. She likes collecting dolls as well, all different types of dolls. And these ones will be a really nice addition. So again, from the bottom of my heart, I thank all of you who have continually been supporting myself, my channel, who leave the sweetest comments, letting me know that when you haven't seen me, you've missed my DIYs. I am so thankful and grateful for all of you. I wish you the happiest 2023, full of love, joy, prosperity, and the best of health. And I look forward to jumping into 2023, hopefully myself with better health, and so that I may be able to come back to crafting, which is what I so love and enjoy to do, and share my DIYs with all of you. I hope that you enjoyed this quick Dollar Tree haul. There wasn't much, but again, this was mainly just to say thank you to all of you and to wish you nothing but the best for the new year ahead. So until next time, guys, you take care of yourselves, and as always, I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.